Hey traders, Shane from GMTfutures. Welcome. I'm going to take you through basically a video now on how to increase the number of Renko bricks that you have on your chart. So how to actually load up more Renko bricks on your chart. When you open up multi-charts through LMAX, you'll see that you generally get around about 2 months worth of Renko bricks back. And what we want to do now is we want to actually increase the number of bricks we can load up on our chart. So to do that, it's a fairly simple process. So the first thing you want to do is you're just going to right click on your chart just to make sure that you've got enough data back. So you go to Format Instrument, and then you'll see here that you've got your Renko brick. I've got mine set to 0.00010, and this is on the Euro US dollar. So this is on the Euro US dollar. You can see here you've got your date range just in the middle of this under Settings tab, and I've got mine back to the 1st of January 2012. So I want to get around about 6 months worth of data. Now, when I initially did that, I set this up to go back to the 1st. My Renko brick stopped at around about the 17th of April. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to load up the full 6 months worth of data, because you'll see now, because I've already loaded those up, I've got mine back to the 1st of January. So all you need to basically do, and I'll just run you through this this process here, is the first thing you need to do is to go, you can see it, so you need to go to your Start function on your Windows platform, and then you need to click on Run. So click on Run, and in that Run box, what you need to type in is REGEDIT, REGEDIT, and the reason why we're typing that in is because we then want to have a look at the registry. So we go OK, and that'll take you to the actual registry. Now it's called the Registry Editor. So what we're looking for in the registry is we're looking for the H key underscore current underscore user. So you can see there, so that's the second option down, so we click on that. So we're looking for that, and once we've opened that up, the next thing we're looking for is the software option. So you can see there, software. So we click on software, and then from the software option we're going to scroll down, because there'll be a fair bit of information under software, obviously, because it's detailing all the software. And what you're looking for next is you're looking for TS support. So TS support, you click on that, you select that option. So under TS support you'll have a number of options, and one of those will be Multicharts LMAX. So that's what you're after, Multicharts LMAX. So click on that. Then we're looking to, once we've got Multicharts LMAX, we're looking to then click on the folder Shaper. Left click on Shaper there, and you'll see that in this box here, this will open up, and it'll actually have in there your max bars count. So that's what you're after. You're after your max bars count. Now what I want you to do is I want you to right click on that and go to modify, and we want to make sure that the decimal value, and I want you to type that decimal number in there, so 429.496.7295. that's just a default that I've got in there, and that will give you at least 6 months worth of data back. So that'll definitely open up your resources and your data back, and go OK. And once you've done that, you can just close out of that. And probably what the best thing then to do is just save that chart. So you can go File, Save the Workspace. So if you've got your 3FX workspace saved, then the next time you come in, when this chart loads up, you should get your full data back to the 1st of January 2012. So that's fairly simple, isn't it? Nice and easy. Just a couple of quick tips with multi-charts, because we need to remember that multi-charts uses a lot of memory, so it can be very draining on your PC. So you need to make sure, if you are using multi-charts, processing power, but also making sure that you haven't got applications open that you don't actually need open, because as you use Renko charts, the Renko charts run off the tick data, and what you'll find is that the further you go back, then the more data it's needed to download, which consequently fills up your memory. So if you're using other other applications, or you've got other workspaces open, that's going to take away some of the memory that you might require for your Renko charts. So really it's critical that you turn off and on the software regularly, the multi-chart software. You definitely aren't using it at the time that you turn off or shut down that application, because we want to be able to use those resources within multi-charts. And that'll help us to free up some memory and what that effectively will do is it'll allow you to open up and download longer periods of data. So that's basically a very, very quick tip on how to take your charts back to the 1st of January 2012. So traders, that wraps up our video there. If you'd like to become a V2 Elite trader, please feel free to send us an email to shane@gmtfutures.com or info@gmtfutures.com. You can also speak to one of our support staff at 617-339-70718, or you can email us directly or go to our website at www.gmtfutures.com. So thank you again for your time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Cheers.